We've come south to visit family here in southern Tasmania, and today I'm at my nephew Adrian's place, and he's just south of Hobart, and he's got a fantastic garden here, and I'd like to show you what he's doing in it. So Adrian, this garden's looking great. What do you do? How are you growing your garden? What methods are you using?
Well, at the moment, John, I'm just using the no-dig Charles Dowdy type method, using compost as a mulch on top of the soil.
Right. How much compost do you put down?
Because it's only really the first year, I put down sort of 3 or 4 inches, but in total over the whole garden it's probably been close to about 15 cubic metres.
That's a lot of compost.
Yeah, it is, but it's a fair sized garden.
You obviously didn't make all that compost.
No, it's been brought, but I am making more now as much as I can.
Yeah. But certainly the results are really, really good in terms of production and how green it is and growing.
Yeah, well, it has been a good year, but it's probably the best I've had so far. I've tried a few other one other method, which was Steve Solomon.
It is complete organic fertiliser,
which I'm quite happy with, but I'm more happy with this, more of a natural method, and I'm using no fertiliser, and I'm not getting very many weeds at all, which is a big plus.
Yeah.
So far less work.
That is one of the big advantages, this isn't it? So few weeds coming up, and what is there looks like it'll be very easy to get rid of.
And next year I won't have to use as much compost, maybe only half that amount. So that's a saving.
So cost-wise, do you think, considering you have to buy compost in, do you think it's really a worthwhile thing doing that as opposed to what you would if you cultivated and fertilised?
I think it is, because I like the less intervention side of it. I think this is plants seem to like it more, they're growing better.
Yes.
So that equals better nutrition, better health for us.
Yes.
I'd hope. I think it is worthwhile, particularly trying to grow a big garden where I need to have less work, because I've got to be I'm at work more.
Yes.
Normal
less
job.
Time in the garden.
Less time in the garden, yeah.
One of the elements Adrian has here is that he's created a microclimate in terms of the fact that it's terraced and against a hill, and there's trees around. That really warms up, and that makes a big difference here in Tassie, where it can be quite cool. And the example here is this corn. You see how well it's doing, even though it is getting late in the season now. Adrian has made extensive use of crop protection net in his garden this season, and the results show just how effective it is for defeating the dreaded cabbage moth.
Yeah, if I leave it off, they'll probably come and it'll probably get eaten overnight.
That looks like dinner, doesn't it? Ready for white butterfly to come in. But yeah, it really proves the net's worthwhile and the best way of stopping them.
Oh, yeah, by far.
I see you just put some pipe plants on this one. Eggplant is not one of the easiest plants to grow in Tasmania. It's generally a little bit cool, but Adrian here has got a nice crop of eggplant growing, and they are producing well. The variety is Orient Express, so something to remember in a cooler climate as a variety to try. So Adrian, you've obviously been doing lots of work here.
Yep.
What's it about?
Okay, so I want to grow some avocados.
Looks like the turkeys have been busy.
Yeah. Well, that's the best advice I had, was to bring in some really free-draining soil and bring up some mounds, because my soil here is quite clayey, and that'll allow the drain. Avocados like lots of free-draining soil, so that'll allow it to drain hopefully. And so I've got about a metre thickness overall here.
So the ground obviously
It did slope away, more on the sort of edge of the terrace.
And the break.
Windbreak. It's going to be painted. Right, it'll look better. And that'll make this a bit more of a microclimate.
That's quite a wall.
It is. It's about 2.5 high.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's going to warm it up in here, isn't it?
Yep.
It'll be like Queensland.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, they should go really well. It should drain. It's a bit of a thing trying to grow tropical fruit here in southern Tasmania, isn't it?
Ah, well, it's been done before.
Other people are doing
There's
it.
other people around here growing avocado, so I think I can too.
So what varieties have you got in here?
Well, we've got 2 bacon, a Wurtz and a lamb Hass. I've only repotted them from them coming in the mail from the Diggers Club, so they're looking a little bit traumatised.
So when do you think you'll plant those out into the ground?
Probably the late September, early October.
So that's early springtime here.
Once the last frost is gone.
So that means they'll spend this first winter in the...
Yeah, they'll spend their first winter
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
I don't think there's enough point planting and I don't think I'll do anything in this.
No, it'll be a bit of a shock, I think, particularly when it's got that nice growth on this one, to put it outside now, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It is inspiring to see what Adrian has done here in creating this garden, especially having seen this place when it was just an overgrown hillside. Seeing the food he produces here now shows just how worthwhile it is to invest in creating terraces and a microclimate. This place is a real testimony to what can be achieved with some hard work if one has the will.